大家好 Welcome back to Night Rain Chinese. Again, I'm exiting the metro station and I'm going to a Chinese-style dessert shop. Let's go. 突然下雨了 Suddenly, some drizzling started. Got my hoodie. Here I am at the dessert store. So first word, 糕点 糕点 Chinese style desserts. Store, 店 together, 糕点店 dessert store, 糕点店. Usually 糕点店 will have already made desserts exhibited in the counter, but this particular one only has tags of photos and names, prices of the desserts, and they will make the desserts after you order something. So now they are making my order. To make desserts, we use the verb 做做糕点. Alright, I got home and let's check what I have bought today. Okay, first one. 这是红豆切糕红豆切糕 So 红豆 means red bean. 豆 means bean. Red, 红 together. 红豆 red bean. A very commonly used ingredient in Chinese dessert making. So here you can see this red brownish sprinkles on the top of this gao is mashed red bean, 红豆. Okay, and 切 is a verb to cut, 切. So in the making, it was a large piece of cake. Then we cut into small pieces and serve them this way. So 切糕. Gao means cake or generally a kind of dessert. We use this word a lot. Gao. So together, 红豆切糕. 这是什么？这是红豆切糕. So, see, the white part is 糯米 sticky rice, and the orange part is, I think, sweet potato, 红薯红薯红豆切糕. And next one, this is called 椰蓉球椰蓉球球 means ball, so it looks like a ball. 椰 coconut, 椰子 coconut, 椰子. 椰蓉 means a desiccated coconut. 椰蓉椰蓉球. So the outside you see is covered with 椰蓉, and the middle layer is again 糯米 sticky rice, and inside is 红豆 red bean paste, and with some nuts together inside. So like 3 layers. Outside is 椰蓉 So 这是什么？这是2个椰绒球。椰绒球。Alright, time to try them out. Let's go. First, the 红豆切糕。You guys are true, man. It's sticky rice. So yeah, the texture is pretty sticky and soft. And on the surface, these sprinkles of smashed red beans are very interesting. Gives something jumpy, kind of a chewy texture. And we also have the sweet potato in between, which has got that smell of sweet potato, and it tastes less sticky, more smooth. Yeah, so it's like a combination of 3 different textures. Very good. 好吃。Next up, the 椰绒球。You see? In the center, we have the red brownish 豆沙. In the middle, this transparent layer is 糯米. And outside, we've got the 椰蓉. Mm, 好吃的. I like it. Not too sweet. So here is a kind of criteria for Chinese. Our very highest praise for desserts is 不甜, 不甜, not sweet. So yeah, we don't like desserts that are overpowered by the sweet flavor. So we want balance. So yeah, this one, totally. I would say it's pretty mild. I quite like this one because I really like 椰子, the coconut flavor. I like coconut juice and coconut, so I got to like this one too. Alright, guess I'll have to eat some more. And let's finish this episode here. Leave a comment and let me know some of your favorite desserts from your place. And don't forget to subscribe to Nightwind Chinese. This is Mia. I'll see you on the next episode. Bye bye.